Hello guys, welcome back to channel for trading. Today we are going to see the post market analysis for 15th of December, and we are also going to do the intraday stock selection for 16th of December, that is for tomorrow. And let's see how the stock performed which we selected yesterday for today's intraday. Okay, the first stock selection which I gave was Ultratech Cement, and we clearly told yesterday the long position with SL at 50.40, the target will be at 5119, but you can see the high here, it is almost went to 5228. So this is a no-brainer. Everybody who have traded in this stock might have came out with huge profit, right? So whoever has taken trade in this one, please comment it below and let me know. This was an absolute good stock selection, and the next stock selection for today's intraday was Pidilite Industries, and this also we have marked only one level, which was this one, and we clearly said this support is broken. This is a clear support and it was broken, and it was going a little bit of retracement, and we can see a heavy downfall. That was the analysis we did yesterday, and it exactly happened. See, the first 1 hour it was a heavy down trend, and those who have taken the trade should be in profit. This was also a pretty much easy trade, in fact. Okay, so let's see the next stock what we selected, which is Indigo. Also we can see today, see it even though we were saying that this can go high, but today it opened below the support level whatever we have drawn. So if it happens in that way, we know that it can fall down, right? So I think in this stock also, even though our analysis was saying that this has taken a good support here and it has the potential to go higher, we also said this is the only support here, and it opened below that support. So the message is clear, you can go for shorting. So I think this also was a good stock, even though our prediction was on the top side, but we have clearly marked the levels. And Voltas, okay, this one our analysis went terribly wrong. We were clearly expecting the stock to come down, and we were only looking for shorting, and I clearly said I won't be looking for any opportunity on the long side. But even though it opened gap up, it showed a tendency to come down, and even it tried breaking that level, but it could not sustain, and then onwards it was on the upside move. So I think this stock, if you have taken the trade, might have hit the stop loss. This analysis was terribly wrong for today. And the next thing was LIC Housing Finance. You can see a W pattern was forming, and we were seeing this as the support and this also as the support, but it went below both the support, and then it took a rally on the upside. We were expecting, because of this double bottom, that it has the potential to go higher, but the stock did not move in the morning hour as expected, because you can see from here to here it broke both the support, but then it went on the upside. So I think this stock also did not perform like what we expected, even though the final result is on the longer run on the upside, but in the initial 1 hour it was behaving differently. So this stock selection was also not up to the mark, I would say. So Voltas and LIC Housing Finance, the analysis went wrong. And HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. So this one, is again a clear winner. We clearly explained that we can buy above this 2310 line. So the stock closed here, and I said even though this is a red candle, we can clearly, you can see this support taking right on the level what we have drawn, and I said 2310, if it is going above that, you can go for a target of 23,332. Even it break that level and it went even higher. So I think this one also was a good choice. If anybody was able to trade in this one, they would have made good profit. So yeah, these 6 were the recommendation for today's intraday. I think except these 2, all 4 performed extremely well. And even if a person have taken all 6 trades, 2 might have gone wrong and 4 would have been in excellent profit. So I think, yeah, I don't have to explain that too much, which is of a good win ratio. It is about 66%, 4 out of 6 stocks. Yes. So let's look at today's recommendation. Tata Motors, Balakrishna Industries and BPCL. So first we will look at Tata Motors. You can see here the stock was coming down after a rally. Then it took support here in this level, and here also we have a support, and now today it closed just above the support level. So I think tomorrow we can go for long above 179 price point with a target of at least 182.7, right, and with a SL of 176, which is of 1:1 or little higher risk reward ratio. Okay, so based on where it opens, you can consider this long position. And let's see Balakrishna Industries. Let's see Balakrishna Industries. Here the stock was having a strong downtrend and it took the support here, then it went high, and again there was kind of a retracement, I would say. So you can look for opportunity to buy above 1625, that is this level. If you can see a price action forming in the early morning hours of higher highs and higher lows, then you can consider for buying. The target, you have enough room of 1661 and 1674, where the SL will be a small SL. So you can confidently take this trade if you see a nice price action pattern for a buying position. Okay, so that is a recommendation for Balakrishna tomorrow's intraday. And let's see on the BPCL. This is a wedge kind of pattern, right, or a triangle pattern. You can see the stock is trading beautifully in this pattern, and this is a support, a strong support, I would say. And you can consider BPCL for shorting below this one. I'm not seeing any opportunity for buying as of now because I don't know about how strong this will be the support. But if this is broken, you can see a nice downfall till at least to this area, 390 region, and you can take the input of crude oil closing price of today for taking a trade on this one for tomorrow. If the crude oil is closing above the opening price of today, that is today's is about 3-4, let me check that. I think today's opening is 3450, and if it's already on the uptrend, the crude oil, and if it is closing above this 3450, then I think this BPCL you can go for shorting. Okay, you can go for shorting. If the crude oil is closing above 3450 mark, then tomorrow you will be getting an opportunity to short this BPCL. And the level target, as I said already, it will be around 390 will be the first target. And now let's see on the Bank Nifty, the interesting index of all. So here, yesterday we were discussing about this as a resistance level. It is not a horizontal line, but it is a slight inclination, right? So you can see the price was moving continuously in this channel, but then there is a weakness. Yesterday we clearly said the prices, even though the price is trading around the same area, but we could definitely see a weakness in the Bank Nifty price movement. And today exactly it was a long rally of on the negative side, a strong red candle in the morning hours, first 1 hour, and then the market recovered, but still it closed below the price of yesterday. That means it is still on a weaker side, and the trend is clearly saying it is a downtrend. You can consider, because of this heavy down, there could be a retracement, and I would like to consider this as just a retracement, even though it is up to around 75% of this bigger red candle, but the prices have already showing a weakness in the form of red candle in the last hour of trading. So tomorrow also I am expecting the stock, this Bank Nifty, to come down a little bit at least. So if it is coming, I think this level we can expect 30550 level. We can expect the Bank Nifty to come down, and then if it is breaking this level, then this will be the target. On the higher side, as I said, this area, right, this, now you don't have to consider this line. This one we can take it as a resistance, and tomorrow if it has to bounce back, it has to come to this level and it has to bounce back. And if it is breaking this level, I think 360 we can see it one more time, and below that I think it is going to be 185, and then due to the panic, then it will be even breaking the 30,000 mark also, and this one as well, right? So these are the levels which I am considering for Bank Nifty on the downside. On the higher side, this is the target, this is a strong resistance, and once this is broken, we can see 31,000 easily for this week itself, but very less chance of breaking this resistance as per my gut feeling, but I can be wrong. Tomorrow it can even open above this level also. Bank Nifty is does something which every one of us will be surprised. So I won't be surprised if it is opening itself above this level, or in the morning of itself it is going above this with a strong green candle. So anything can happen, but as per the chart, it clearly says there is a weakness in the price, and I'm expecting this support to be play a huge role. If it is taking support here, you can see the price between these levels for tomorrow, trading between these levels. Otherwise, if this is broken, then this and this will be the next support. So that is my analysis for Bank Nifty tomorrow. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.